Hi everyone, welcome back to Toni on Real Estate Education. So during last night's class, a few students approached me with questions about the distinction between adverse possession and easement by prescription. Although I have a video covering various types of easements and adverse possession, they specifically sought clarification on the contrast between adverse possession and easement by prescription. Given that this confusion has arisen before, I've decided to create another video to clarify the differences between the two concepts. Adverse possession occurs when an individual takes possession of another person's property and treats it as their own for a period of 10 years. Through occupying and maintaining the property, one may eventually gain legal ownership to it. On the other hand, easement by prescription involves obtaining the right to use someone else's property, such as a driveway, for a continuous period of 10 years. Easement by prescription involves a concept called tacking, which allows successive owners to accumulate the years of use without starting from scratch if the property changes hands. The fundamental differences between the two lies in their outcomes. Adverse possession aims at acquiring ownership of the property, whereas easement by prescription focuses on obtaining the right to use the property. As I often emphasize in class, simplicity is key. Adverse possession entails taking possession of the property as the name suggests. On the other hand, easement by prescription simply involves gaining rights to use the property. Think of easement by prescription like a medical prescription, meant to alleviate discomfort. It serves to ease the stress associated with unauthorized use of someone else's property. Okay, so that was short but to the point. I hope it helps. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.